All right, this is Forrest with Forrest Buys Houses, and this is a project that we just finished renovating for another investor in Richmond. Lori is a rock star, and this is 1311 North 22nd Street. And I'm gonna take you guys in. I'm gonna show you around this house, and I'm gonna walk you through. But this is in a redevelopment zone in Richmond. You can see across the street there's some houses that are ready to be done and some houses that have already been done. So I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys in and show you around this place. All right, so enjoy the tour. All right, we walk inside and you see that house looks pretty good. I think that chimney is going to be the focal point. I really think that that's going to be something great. And another thing that's cool about this place is, I'm blessed to be able to work with my wife alongside. Is, we get to do things together sometimes. So this is her staging that she just did, and I think it looked really good and it turned out really nice. So I know I'm not doing justice to it, but you can check out her website and you can see what she's done. But basically we had the kitchen redone and that looks pretty good. Then in that back room, there was a bar, so we went ahead and closed it in and turned it into a bonus room. And that turned out really nice as well. So let's see if I can get you a good view of the kitchen. So turned out really nice. This is black granite. It's not the Ubatuba, it's a level up from that. And also this granite right here, if you feel underneath of it, you can see that this granite actually has got a leather underneath of it, so they can flip it over and it would be a totally different type of granite. It's a new leather feel, and that's something that's getting really popular these days. So then we got this bathroom right here that we redid, and utility closet. I just think this fireplace looks cool. Hold on, I'm gonna show you guys that one more time. So I think that fireplace just kind of makes the house, and I think it's cool. So glad she let me talk her into keeping that around. So we'll head on upstairs. I'll show you what we did upstairs. So isn't that cool? That's kind of cool. That thing is a bunch of feathers. The dealer found it. I think it's awesome. All right, go upstairs and see what we've done up there. So this house took a few months. Took a few months longer than I would like to because it was the winter time. Well, excuse me, it took about a month longer than I wanted to because it was the winter time, and had some contractors that really enjoyed working and finishing. But that's what you get. That's pretty cool how we decided to do that shower and tuck that toilet in like that. And then you got a bedroom back here. And what can you say? It's a bedroom. Then you got another bedroom right here. So, and this, oh, by the way, that's our other project that we're doing right now. We just put a vinyl siding on that one. So we'll be finishing that one up in about a month and a half. So, and then we got another bedroom. What can you say? But this one looks really beautiful. The dealer just finished this one, and looks really pretty. She's actually got her son Faris doing some of these bedrooms, and he's doing a pretty good job of it. And then this master bathroom that we did, and it's got the floor to ceiling subway top. So, well, look, I hope you guys enjoy that. I'm gonna try to keep putting out more and more content, kind of let you guys see what we're doing and what it's like to be an investor and flip houses. Sometimes it's fun, like today, when you get to show off what you've done, and sometimes it's a lot of hard work. But anyway, hope you guys like this, and stay tuned for more. All right, thank you, Dila. Thank you, Lori, and I think we all made a good team. All right, take care.